Hello everyone, I am Sansu Kirti. Along with my teammates, we are going to present the business model canvas of Y-Combinator. The business model canvas is a strategic tool used to design and understand how a business works. It consists of 9 key components: customer segments, value proposition, channels and customer relationship, revenue streams and key resource and key activities, and key partnership and cost structure. These elements help us clearly visualize how a business creates, delivers, and captures a value in a simple and structured way. Now we understand the structure, let's see how it applies in the real startup ecosystems like Y-Combinator. Y-Combinator focuses on building startups that grow fast and scale efficient. They encourage rapid iteration, meaning startups should build quickly, test ideas, continuously improve based on the feedback. The main goal is to achieve the product market fit, where the product solves a real customer problem. However, startups face challenges like validating demand, managing cost, scaling infrastructure. A strong business model helps overcome these challenges and ensure the sustained growth. So, why this business model canvas is so important in this process? Let's look at it. The business model canvas is important because it gives a complete view of business in a single page. First, it helps the founders to identify the assumptions and test idea quickly. Second, it improves the communication with the investors and team members. Finally, it allows the startups to adopt and iterate faster based on a market feedback, which is essential for success.
Hello everyone, now I am going to talk about customer segments and value propositions. We discuss customer segment and value proposition, which are important building blocks for startup success. First, we must identify early adopters and niche markets. These are the people who experience the problem the most and are willing to try new solutions. Second, we need to create a strong value proposition. This means clearly explaining how our product solves the customer problem better than other solutions. Finally, a good example is B2B SaaS products for small business. Many successful startups focus on helping small businesses by providing simple and affordable digital tools. Then we talk about channels and customer relationships. This slides explains channels and customer relationships which help startups reach and connect with customers. First, we use digital channels like social media, content marketing, and research engines to reach early users. Second, community networks are important. Startups can build trust through founder communities, alumni networks, and direct sales. Third, rapid feedback is essential. Startups should listen to customers, collect feedback, and quickly improve their products.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about revenue streams and cost structure of Y-Combinator. In revenue models, it is focusing on recurring revenues like monthly early incomes. Example, subscription-based SaaS. Users pay regularly and give predictable cash flow. Investors prefer this one. It is why important means stable income equals to easier scaling plus better funding chances. In cost strategies, startups should stay lean, like low fixed cost, spend smartly on customer acquisition and product developments. And ideas, avoid unnecessary expenses early, invest only where it drives growth. And for example, Y Combinator's examples uses freemium models, which includes both free version and the paid versions. Free versions attract the users, paid versions monetize the serious users, which is flow equals to free users, engagement, upgrade, revenue. Now we are going to see about second slide, key resources, activities and partnerships of Y Combinator. First one, key resources. The core things required. Tech infrastructures like servers, cloud, tools, etc. etc. And engineering talent and capitals, fundings and data assets. Which is important because these are the foundations for building and scaling a product. And the key activities, which is mainly daily work, continuous product development, customer discovery, understanding user needs, iterating based on feedback, and using Y Combinator ecosystem, mentors, networks, guidance are being given through the users. The goal is to achieve product market fit quickly. And the third one is key partnership, collaboration that help growth, cloud providers, distribution channels, and industry experts, and Y Combinator's alumni network, which benefits faster scaling, credibility boost, access to opportunities. Thank you.
High-density cost structure show based on best payments companies. Focused yearly happens value processes cost channels yearly cost optimization market flow. Next step to build a basic ready business model. Conduct our customer discovery focused on building adaptive symptoms, potential usage, validate pain points, and identify good and serious market needs. It is value proposition the fast scalers focus on solutions with strong unit economics and clear objective averages that grow with your base. Leverage your YC sources for partnership and mentorship. Tap into the accelerator network created with financial models that build suitable essential growth.